Account in minutes with no monthly fees, free invoicing, accounting integrations, and much more. Sign up for a Tide business account today. But I don't let it get me down. 'Cause this fine old world, it keeps spinning. We're investigating how to make money work for you.
Yeah, what do you spend too much money on?
My dog, Snuggles.
What, do you buy loads of matching outfits?
Yeah.
I buy a lot of trainers.
Oh, really? Are you one of those people that still keeps them in the box?
Yeah.
I just can't keep track of my money.
Now, with the Barclays app, you can see a breakdown of your spending by category.
Wow.
Make money work for you with the Barclays app, so you know exactly how much you're spending on Snuggles.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, it's clever stuff. Woohoo!
We need to speed things up.